Good evening and welcome to Cooking with the Count. Tonight we're going to share something a little bit different with you. We love to entertain. We've got friends that love oysters, and I'm not talking those little itty bitty things. I'm talking, like a blue point oyster, like this. Okay, that's what you call an oyster. And what I'm going to do is, it's kind of a takeoff of Oyster Rockefeller without Rockefeller. So we're going to name this Oyster Gagnon, which is the French way of saying Gagnon, which is my heritage. So with that, I'll run through my ingredients. We've got spinach. Of course, that melts down to nothing by the time you cook it up. Chopped up mushrooms, which again, they're gonna simmer down to very small. We've got bacon, and we've got our oysters, and we have La Gruyere cheese. It's gonna be delicious. We have Parmesan cheese to top it off. We've got garlic, pepper. Simple and easy, but I'll tell you what, it'll knock your guest for a loop. Let's get started because this is incredible. The only thing I've got to do is just grate up the La Gruyere, and we'll head over to the frying pan. As you can see, if she can get the camera in here, I've got this bacon nicely cooked. I'm going to take out about half of it for inside the recipe, if that makes any sense. Then I'm going to cook the rest till it's crunchy because it's going to top this beautiful recipe. So we're going to keep on cooking this till it's down to almost like a bacon bit. It's going to be so yummy. I love this recipe, and so do our friends. Those that like oysters anyway. The ones that don't like oysters, I may have to pull a fast one on them and just serve it to them and see what they say. I always love doing that. I've had more people say, I don't like mushrooms. And I said, oh, gee, I'm really sorry to hear that. As they're popping little baby portobellos that I've fried up into their mouth like they're pieces of candy. Anyway, the little fun things in life. But see, my stove stayed clean thanks to my large Dutch oven. I love this pan. If you don't have one, strongly suggest go to the website, or really any big box store carries them. And I can guarantee you, the more you use it, the more you'll love it. Anyway, we'll be back in just a minute. This bacon is almost ready to come out. It's going to be nice and crunchy, and it's going to finish off our Oyster Gagnon perfectly. We'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I still have a little bit of bacon grease in there. This is going to start my mushrooms really good. See all that brown in there? That's called flavor. That's bacon flavor. It's going to go right into those mushrooms, and it's going to go into the spinach. It's going to be delicious. Bring that down, and let's start adding our spinach. Yeah. Okay, I got all the spinach in there. We're gonna let that simmer for just a few minutes and wilt down nicely. Then after, we'll add the garlic. Well, as you can see, our mushrooms and spinach are having a party in here. See all that flavor on the side? Yeah, I'm working that into the spinach as much as I can. It's coming nice. It's about time to add our garlic. Heck yeah. Always gotta keep the vampires away. And garlic is so good for you. So we're gonna add this in. Get them all playing to the music. Let's add a little pepper to this. I'm not going to add any salt. If we need it, we'll add it when I taste it. Right now, we're going to leave it out. There's nothing can kill a meal faster than having it too salty. Look at this party. They're just having a grand old time in here. Now it's time for the oysters to go into these dishes. Like I said, this is an oyster. Beautiful oysters. What I love about Blue Point, they're nice, they're big, they're very tasty. So now it's time to add the Gruyere to my spinach mix. We're going to mix all this together. Oh yeah. I wish they had smell-o-vision. Okay, as you can see, we got a beautiful oyster in there. I'll take a nice amount of this and put it in here like so. Because I really enjoy this. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Yeah. Okay, as you can see, we've got them all dished up nicely. I'm going to cover them with cheese. I'm going to put them at 425. But only for a few minutes, just until the cheese browns, because everything is already cooked except for the oyster, and you don't want the oyster to really overcook. So let's make it delicious and take it over the top. I'm going to give this credit to my wife. She's the one who has tweaked this out. She has made it several different ways, and we've tweaked it out by adding different cheeses. We've tried mozzarella cheese. That was good, but the Gruyere takes it over the top. So with that, I'm going to put these in the oven for a few minutes. We're going to top it with some bacon, and we're going to take it out of the ballpark again. We'll be back. These things have just come out of the oven. They are piping hot right now. We're going to let them sit for a little bit. We're going to top it with some bacon. We'll show you what one of these things looks like. If you could smell what this smells like right now. Yeah, you'd be coming through the computer or TV or whatever you're watching to grab one. They smell incredible. Knocks the hell out of a Rockefeller, I'll tell you right now. So just sit tight, because I'm going to take some of these pieces like this, and I'm going to put it like that, and we're going to dive into that. It's going to be incredible. I've let this cool a little bit. I'm hoping I've let it cool enough, because oysters really do hold the heat really, really well. Anyway, I'm just dying. I mean, the smell of this is so good that I can't wait to try it. Anyway, take a look at that. I've cut it up a little bit so that you can actually see the juices in there. They are incredible. With that, I'm going to pull it back. It is time to try it and show you what this beautiful little concoction is all about. Voila. Oyster Gagnon. For our family, I salute you. I don't want to burn my mouth, but my God, I want to get this into my mouth so bad. Bon appetit. I salute my wife, because she has tweaked this out to be the most amazing Oyster Gagnon that you could ever have. I hope you'll try it. Please follow us on Pinterest and YouTube, and of course our website, www.cookingwiththecount.com. You'll find the recipe and all the ingredients. This truly is amazing. I hope you'll try it. God bless. Thank you for following us. We appreciate you. With that, good night.